Hey guys, Gabby here from Ray Studios, and today I'm gonna be reviewing the Meepo Shuffle V4S. First, let's do a quick unboxing. This box is pretty compact, just what you need. As soon as you pop it open, you can immediately see the Meepo Shuffle. This looks really beautiful, but more on that later. We have here what I believe is a postcard and the instruction manual. Here we have the remote control. That this is kind of like the classic remote control from Meepo with micro USB charge, the cable to charge it, and the power brick, and of course the T2. Look at this! This is really nice looking board. Let's take a look at the front first. And I like the color. I like here the orange accent, and this time they got the Meepo logo. One thing to remark here too is that the screws are over the grip tape, all of them, unlike most of the modern boards that they have the screws under grip tape, so it looks nicer. But I think the reason they do that is because Meepo tend to do boards that are very strong, very affordable, and modular. Means a Meepo board will last you for many years, and if it's something break, let's say I don't know, the track, so you need to change something, it's easy to do it. It's just very easy, and Meepo is very good at sending replacement parts in case you need them. So having the screws over the grip tape, it makes it very easy for you to take something apart and replace it. Now, the deck, besides being beautiful, have a very strong concave, very aggressive. Now the wheels, nicest looking wheels I have ever seen, period. Now in the back, we basically have this cloud with donuts look alike, or I don't know, 105mm rubber sleeve. I love here look at this. This is the battery case. It looks like an airplane engine or something, like really nice, very beautiful. Like most battery cases are like square, and look at this. Look at the ESC case, and the colors on the back of the deck is just so nice. Love it. Now here is the power. Let me see if I can open without looking. Is the power port. It's a little bit strange. They're usually much smaller, but yeah, this one is rubber, and that's because this is IPX66, means you can ride in the rain. Even so, I will not recommend it because it's extremely dangerous. Here it is. Let's turn that on. We have a really big, basic remote, but with a big screen and with a lot of information on it. I like that you have the total odometer, the partial odometer. You can adjust the brake intensity as well as the gears, so you can see how fast you want to go, but also how intense you want to brake. It feels great on my hand. I guess the board is on, the remote is on. Time for me to get out there and test this board.